football in Pidgin. Manchester City won and Real Madrid won. We get Oga Hope for Yemeko tell us how he see the game for today.
Oh boy, the game now a very good game. Both teams put their performance and they try. But one thing about Madrid for their match, we say, if you want to win Madrid, you see that opportunity when Madrid takes sit back, they monitor your movement. Use that opportunity, penetrate them. Once you don't penetrate them, it don't scatter their plan for the match. But if you give them time, make they study you as they play defense, they monitor you, they know what you want play. If they enter you, your game don't finish. Now waiting cause this draw match today. Because the very first time when we say Man City get the opportunity, Madrid they sit back. Force them go back full, enter them, penetrate them. When they penetrate them, they push them, they go back as they won't stay back. They won't monitor what you want play. Now there you go commit their defenders. I know how Rudiger they rough in defense.
Yes.
You can commit Rudiger. But they can't follow them. When he reach there, begin to play. This one not English football, not Champions League. Now what make people now say that champions? Now champions versus champion. You understand? So the best teams will come out from their country leagues them. So go there, enter them where the way you supposed to play. Open them up. If you open them up, you don't win them. But they sit back. The opportunity when you say them they get based on that counter. When they say they don't get over you, they don't finish you with that. And that time now, you don't go feed the mark again. You come and sit back. And when they sit back, they begin to do their tic-tac. They don't beat you. So that are waiting happen for today's match. But both teams, I give them kudos because they showcase what they sabi. And the two coaches also showcase what they know for the world of Champions League.
All right now, so Mo will ask you who be your player of the match?
For the both sides.
Yes, for the game.
If you come for the player for the both sides, for Madrid, now Junior, now be my best player for that. Then you come. That's why I say on Man City side, say Kevin De Bruyne scored the goal. If you see Kevin De Bruyne job like say now master for their game. But between Kevin De Bruyne and Silva, I go take Kevin De Bruyne as the man of the match for Man City.
All right now, so quick one now. So Manchester City go come. Manchester City go return the game. So what to be your prediction for that next match? Man City versus Real Madrid.
Man City Madrid, is it the home support of Madrid?
Yeah.
Now Madrid play what they play today. For people like Man City, when they come for England, you go see say the full England, both the ones where they the Champions League where don't come out, and the ones where see the UEFA Europa and Conference League, everybody go there on Man City. And the full England go there on Man City. Because it will be something of a shameful thing to us, where the England fans say, now one particular team for 2 seasons, now they deal with England. And yet they talk saying that England now be the best league so far in the world. And team from Spain, just they push all the England team out. I give Man City to win that match 2-0 for Etihad.
All right now, thank you for your time.